It's a UFO, and over there's the UFO.
Where?
Come over here and see it.
That light?
Uh-huh.
So what's that? What, that little star right there? UFO?
This is a UFO or something. There's a cloud in the sky. Check it out. What is that? It's going smoke. Something blew up. Or they shot a rock. Something blew up.
But how would it make such colors?
The gas is from it, I guess.
Yeah, beneath was moving around.
Look at the trail of smoke. It's going higher. See it?
Yeah? What, that big bright thing, that's the UFO?
Where?
That big bright right in the middle.
No, but you see the trail going up higher?
Uh-huh.
And it's curving over?
Uh-huh. So I mean that big light right in the middle. Is that like the beam?
Oh, goddamn ants are getting me!
Oh, I hate them ants.
Go get my flashlight. Go get me the phone, too.
Go get the phone?
Mm-hmm. Check it out, how green it's getting.
Look. Okay. Okay, what do you want me to do with this? Look out your front door. What is that? How do you know? How are they saying about it? Where's Dad? It's a rocket.
Yep.
No, it's a UFO. Why? She already knew it was.
Why, radio?
Yeah. It's a rocket. I still say it's UFO.
Yeah, it's a rocket.
UFO. Stupid ant. Look how it's starting to go more to this way and more that way. Look at the colors of it.